35-year-old Bengaluru-based IT professional Roshan Krishnan believes the time is ripe to buy a house. And industry analysts echo this argument, citing that property prices have fallen, there's ready inventory, and home loan rates are at multi-year lows.
I was looking for a place in North Bangalore. What prompted me was really the payment plan Puravankara had to offer because it's a project that's just launched. There's a lot of flexibility in the payment that I could make. The other thing I looked at is the home loan rates at the moment. The current rates are quite attractive, and if this would be the right time, I think, for anybody to invest if you're planning a home loan. I was honestly pleasantly surprised once I heard what the rate was. Yeah, it was 6.9 and 7 something.
First time I purchased a house, the loan rate interest was 17%. Wow. It was in 97, that's my first house.
While the Krishnans decided to make a site visit to look at the property that they're buying, many potential buyers have not been able to make such visits due to the pandemic. One such strategy adopted by several builders is to go fully digital for bookings, and one such player is Puravankara. In fact, this festive season, Puravankara is launching a virtual home expo where customers can have the entire end-to-end process of looking for properties and making the purchase completely online.
You used to go grocery shopping, now you just pick up your app, you look at your big basket, or you pick up Amazon, and you just shop online. It's becoming as convenient as that. We've never imagined this shift. We did 3 launches. We launched our online booking platform, and all our launches saw significant traction, and 70% of our bookings in that quarter happened online without customer ever visiting the site. We have dropped our marketing cost because originally we were looking at far higher marketing cost compared to what we are doing now, because all the investment is on digital, and physical meetings and physical presentations and events has come down significantly.
Demand has been gradually picking up in the last couple of months. The July to September quarter has seen housing sales hit 65% of pre-COVID levels. But this year, as the festive season sets in, property consultancy firm Anarock says it expects sales in the top 7 cities to cumulatively jump 35% over the September quarter. That's in contrast to the usual 5 to 10% jump quarter on quarter seen in previous years. Bengaluru and the Mumbai metropolitan region are expected to lead the surge in sales, with the national capital region, Pune, Chennai and Hyderabad expected to report sales spike of over 20% each. But here's an interesting trend. While a fall in property prices is being seen as a driving factor, Knight Frank says Bengaluru and Hyderabad have actually seen residential prices rise in the third quarter of this year over last year. Developers attribute this to the IT sector's fortunes.
80% of the Bangalore residential real estate market depends on the IT and IT-enabled services. And we know during the pandemic, one of the sectors which has performed well was the IT sector only. And due to this, the demand has been very robust. Considering the last quarter which has been done well, so this festive season is going to be extremely good. The reason for the same is the market, there is a renewed demand for the residential real estate one. And second, there is an all-time low interest rate.
This festive season, the real estate industry expects many millennials to pick up keys for their first homes, for several NRIs to set up base here, and for many in the workforce to buy larger houses away from the central business districts. Well, here's hoping the festive cheer stays on. In Bengaluru, Mugdha Warrior.